In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint for Windows desktop versions. By the end of this video, you'll be able to comfortably work in these applications with less eye strain during those late-night sessions. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open one of the Office apps. You can pick Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. It doesn't matter which one you start with because the steps will be quite similar across each of these apps. Once you've got one of them open, you'll need to head over to the File tab, which you'll find positioned at the top left corner of your screen. Now here's where it can differ slightly based on what app you're using. You'll either select Account, or you might need to click through to Options and then General. For instance, if you're in Excel, you'll want to choose File, proceed to Account, and then look for a section labeled Office Theme. Once there, you'll see the theme options. You'll want to look under Office Theme and choose Black for the darkest experience possible. If you don't need it quite so dark, dark gray is a great alternative to reduce brightness while still keeping some contrast. Both of these options will significantly reduce the typical glare from the default bright interface. Now, something special for Word users. After selecting the black theme, you have an additional customization. You'll notice an option to also darken the page background itself, which is super helpful for long reading or editing sessions. To do this, you'll go to the View tab at the top. Here, you'll find a button named Switch Modes. This handy feature lets you toggle your page background between dark and light, truly embracing the dark mode experience. It's important to note that if the Switch Modes button doesn't appear, or if it's not turning your page dark as expected, you might want to check a couple of things. First, ensure your Office apps are fully updated. Sometimes full support for certain features, like the complete dark page effect, requires a more recent version of Office than what might be on your system. Also, double-check that you've selected the black theme, as merely opting for dark gray won't change the page background. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled dark mode, potentially across your Office suite if you follow these steps in your other applications as well. I hope you find this feature useful for reducing eye strain and improving your overall workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time working in a more visually comfortable environment.